Developments regarding a major construction project in Hoover.
The Planning and Zoning Committee decided on rezoning efforts for a large development known as the Tattersall Project. WVTM 13's Gladys Bautista joining us now with more. Gladys, what was decided?
Well, the city's Planning and Zoning Committee voted 6-2 in favor of the proposed mixed-use space near Tattersall Park. Now, if this is finally approved from the City Council, it is projected to take up to 30 acres just off of Highway 119 on the north side of Highway 280. Right now, the area is zoned specifically for commercial spots like restaurants and shopping, but developers want residential areas added too. Property owner EBSCO wants to add 300 condos, active adult units, cottages, and apartments, which has garnered some opposition from residents. Ashley Lavelle, one of the people with concerns, started a community group to speak out against parts of the project. With the decision made tonight, she says she feels the over 3,000 petition signatures she gathered against the project now no longer matter.
We have done a lot of work to capture the collective opinion of the community. So it's not any voice over the other, but we've all come together with the same approach of no residential, right? Keep it planned commercial. And that's my concern.
The plans will now go before the full council for final approval on January 21st. Live in Hoover, I'm Gladys Bautista, WVTM 13.